This Connect the Dots drawing video is a scared spider. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, grab your art supplies, and let's draw and color together. We're going to work on the head first. Number 1 is right here, and we're curving to number 3. Like that. And then a gentle curve to 5, around to 6 and 7, like this. 7, 8, 9, a curve that way. And rounding out to number 11. Now we're going to curve a little bit to 12, and we're going to do a bump to 14. Now a curve from 14 all the way back to number 1. Now here we're going to go from 1 to 1E and back to number 3. Now from 1D you're going to do an oval around to 1I, and 1I, curving to 4, and then 1G, curving H, I, back to number 6. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. And then 14C, doing an oval and connecting back to D, like that. And now from 14H, back to number 10. And then from 11 to 14D, just like that. Now going back to number 20, we're going to go through 20A, B, C all the way around to 20K, and that's where you're going to stop. Now at 20L, you're connecting to 14B, little curve like this. Now right here we're doing 3 sets of legs for our spider, starting at 20L. So at 20L we're going to be doing a bit of an oval. Now we're going to do a smaller half oval below that one, and another one, and then a smaller one. And that's basically how we're going to draw all of our legs all the way around our spider. So the next oval is right here. And now you can play with the shape of your legs and however you want them. If you want them straight out like this, you can do that, or you can have a bend in them, however you like. And now we're going to do another one here, making sure we're going through 20K. And our last one on this side is going to go from 20I to J. And now we've got our 4 legs here. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left. So I'm going to start at 1, F, and G, and that's where I'm making my first leg on this side. Next at 22 and 1A. Now at 20A to 22. And finally 20C to 20D. So with my thin marker, we're going to work on the face, and I'm going to draw 2 curves right around number 19 here. I'm going to draw a curve down like that, and another one over here. So now I'm going to draw 2 curves down to a point like that, and then back up again like this. And now I'm going to finish the eyes. Come up like this in line with the point we made up here. Now our spider's scared, so we have to make a scared mouth. So right along number 3, we're going to be doing a curve up, down, up, and down again, like that. Now we're just going to do a gentle curve down to 5 and 6, curving down, and up again, down and up. Now we're going to connect a gentle curve like that. And of course we need a tongue and some teeth. And now we're ready to color. As always, I get all my markers out first, I pick all my colors and put them off to the side. Then I start with my lightest colors first and work 1 marker at a time around my picture. The reason I do this is because I want the colors to dry before I layer on the next color. Now I'm using browns and grays for my tarantula, but you can go ahead and pick any color you want. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but some actually only have 6. But even with all those eyes, did you know they still can't see very well? Yeah, they're nearsighted. They wait for prey to get caught in their webs, and they use silk tripwires to warn of approaching predators. Maybe next time I'll give him some glasses. But knowing that fact, some other species of spiders can actually see UVA and UVB light when humans cannot. Now with my base colors done, I take my darker markers and I'm using a flicking technique to make our tarantula look a little bit furry. Again, you can use whatever colors you like, you don't have to follow the same color scheme that I do. I'm going to give my spider a striped look on his back, so I'm using a medium gray and then a dark gray and flicking in the opposite directions. Now with the same dark gray, I'm going to be using it on his feet and legs, but I'm going to go the opposite direction with the browns, so dark on the bottom, light on the top. And of course, we can't forget the face. The average adult tarantula is about 5 inches long, or 11 inches long if they've got their legs outstretched. The average adult male is about 5'10", or 177 centimeters. That means we're 7 times bigger than the tarantula. So next time you say, "Eek, a spider," chances are they're scared of you too. Once I'm finished doing the furry part of my tarantula, I'm going to add shadows to the picture just to give it a little bit more definition. I hope you love drawing and coloring with me. If you like these videos, go check out this video on your screen next.